Next easy step, I'm going to put the convertible top into service mode. I just reinstalled the battery, got power all hooked up, and just gonna jump in the car, turn the ignition on. It should be much easier than you own a car. This is just a matter of pushing a button. Well, I think that's all the space we need here. So unfortunate this back window is broken, but oh well. That was much easier than getting the convertible top into service mode on a donor car. Small victories, remember? Small victories. I'm gonna go ahead now and disconnect the battery again. So inside, so basically we are on the right rear side of the car. See the cable here? Just from the bottom of the convertible top to the little ball joint. Right down below here, inside here, it's very easy, just gotta turn it and just pops off like this, just like that. And you do that to both sides of the car, and then a sunroof, why am I calling this a sunroof? Do this to both sides of the car, and then the convertible top will tilt up. So before the convertible top can be flipped up all the way, if you go inside here, you see all these clips. There's a clip on each side, one here and one on the left side. Okay, try to do this, trying to keep hold the camera so as possible. Okay, here we are. So this is clip here. Reach your hand behind it, and with your middle finger, you see a little lever on that clip. Just kind of push it down, and then pull out this cover, this lip for the cover here. Let's do that on the other side too. Here's the clip on the left side. Put your left hand in there, and you can feel with your middle finger the tab on that clip. Push that down while with your thumb pulling out this this little rail here, and that's it. So now, theoretically, this cover should go up just like this. Here we go. And now we have access to the top of the engine cover here. This is going to be one of the easier tasks we're going to be doing on this project. I'm sure there's other videos on YouTube that you can see. Little plastic cap here. Flip up this one half of it. Turn it 90 degrees, pull up a little bit so it's loose. Same thing on the other side, flip the top here, turn 90 degrees, pull it loose. And now this little cover comes out. Now if you're working on a Boxster S or a Boxster that has a premium sound system, there are speakers in there and you have to unplug the speakers. But this one doesn't. Stay this side somewhere safe. And then we have access to the carpet piece on top of the engine cover. Same thing, there's two little tabs there. It's like the same as that cover. 90 degrees, just loosen up a little bit, and there it goes. Comes off very easily. There we go. Also lay that to the side. And now we've uncovered the engine cover. That has 5 little screws in it too. Flip up the little handle, turn it 90 degrees. It's 5 of them in total. So, in theory, here we go, just comes out. It's actually very easy to gain access to the top of your engine. How long did it take? 5 minutes in total. See? Nice and dusty. This could really use a good shampoo. Okay. Moving forward, gonna remove the carpet over the rear behind the seats, but in front of the engine cover, access panel. There's these 4 little plastic caps. I'm not sure. I just usually use my fingers to turn them. Or not. Remember, your good old left loosey, right tighty. It should come out very easily. Maybe not. Use my trusty little clip remover here. Maybe not. Maybe the loose screw off. Should be easier than this door, I tell you. Come on, Porsche. I'm buying a premium car here. Okay. Probably not supposed to pop them off, but. Three. This was already off. 4. 10mm screws. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 bolts, 2 nuts. Here we go. Another thing I've learned doing this short project: don't be intimidated to get to this point. Very easy to access the engine like this. I guess what does it take? 10 minutes tops to get access to the engine. Here you can do all kinds of service: alternator, AC compressor, drive belt, power steering pump. I think water pump is a little bit more difficult to tackle, but you have access up here, air filter. I think the starter is right under here, so it's not too impossible to work on this. Not the easiest, but if it was easy, everybody would be doing it, right? This is what I've uncovered. Yes, this is what an engine that wasn't flooded looks like. A little dirty. It's all there, sitting here miserably, broken, poor car.